Okay, so we're finding the slope of the line that passes through each of these points. So we're given two coordinates. Okay, for A, we're given the coordinate 3, 5, and the coordinate 0, 2. So what am I going to do? What is the first thing I should do? Label them. So this is, we always read a coordinate x, y. And now you're going to decide which one do you want to call coordinate 1 and which one do you want to call coordinate 2. Does it matter which one you call 1 or 2? No, as long as you are labeling one of them as 1 and the other one as both x and y are 2. So which one do you want to call 1? 3, 5? Okay, 1, 2. Okay, so then once you label your coordinates, you're only labeling it just to make it easier for you to remember the order that you need to calculate it in. Now we're going to use the slope formula. Memorize this. y2 minus y1 over x2 subtract x1. Okay, then we're just going to plug in our values. What's the value for y2?
2.
Good. 2 minus, what's the value for y1?
5.
Okay, so I'm taking y2, I'm subtracting y1. That's the difference in my y values. That's the rise of the line, right? The vertical distance. And then x2 is what?
0.
Take away x1 is 3. That's the run. That's my horizontal distance from one x value to the other. And now we just simplify. What's 2 take away 5? What's 0 take away 3? Negative 3. What's negative 3 divided by negative 3?
1.
So the slope of this line is 1. I'm going to label this as x, y. I'm going to call this 2, and I'm going to call this 1, just to switch it up, to show you that it doesn't matter. Okay? So what did I label as y2? 3 take away 2 over what?
3 plus 2.
3 take away negative 2. 3 take away negative 2. 2. 3 take away 2. 3 take away negative 2 is positive 5. The answer is positive 1 over positive 5. If you did it the other way around, you would have got negative 1 over negative 5. But what's a negative divided by a negative? Positive. You still get the same answer this way. These all represent the same thing. Okay, so again, we're going to start with labeling our coordinates. You always label them x, y, x, y. You tell me, which one do you want to call coordinate 1?
Negative 5.
The one on the left? Okay, 1, 2. Write down your formula just so you can start to memorize it. y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Once you've labeled it and you've written your formula, plug it in the values. What's my y2?
Negative 6.
Negative 6 minus, what's my y1?
Negative 8.
Please be careful with your signs. It's negative 6, take away negative 8. Okay, integers. What's my x2? Negative 5, take away, what's my x1? Okay, so we have to be careful with our signs. That's why I want to do this last question. What is negative 6 take away a negative 8? Yes. It becomes negative 6 plus 8, which is 2. Negative 5 plus 3. Negative 2. So we have positive 2 divided by negative 2 equals, our slope of line F is negative 1.